There's Matt. He's gonna go jump in the water because it's so nice.
There he goes.
Are you?
Look at this monster. Yeah.
What is she doing?
Oh my God! Go under! Yeah! Woo!
Shit! I can spot a playgrass started. Okay.
What?
Is he talking gibberish already? I think hypothermia is setting in.
What did he just say?
I could survive a crash in the Arctic and I'd be okay.
Target is better than Walmart.
Careful now. Target is better.
You think you should go back in? I think it's warmer in there.
Hold my victory round.
Hold my victory round.